Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube. Today I will be showing you guys my morning skincare routine. I'll be using this Polished and Radiant facial scrub. I got this from my Walmart for like $7. I'm gonna wet my face first as instructed on the back of the container, just so that it can get sooty and it'll be wet enough to scrub into my skin. And I will be using this rubber exfoliator, I guess. I'm not too sure, but I know I got it from Marshall's for $3. I really don't know the name, so yeah. But yeah, I'm just going to scrub that into my face. I had to fast forward this part because I was really scrubbing it in. Like, you'll see, like, I don't play. This gets into the skin, honey. Now, while that is sitting on my skin, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off that rubber exfoliator. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off my face. So I thought I had placed a towel on the other side, but it wasn't there. So I'm going to go ahead and pat dry my face. I'm not going to rub it in because that can cause skin irritation and redness, and that's just unnecessary. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Pond's skin cream to moisturize my face. And I'm only taking a dime size because that stuff is really moisturizing. Now, I'm not too sure if this is a part of the skincare routine, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways. I'm using my Sugar Lip Balm by Lush, and as you can see, I am all out, but we are going to make it work, okay? I usually lose almost all my lippies, but as you can see, I'm always treasuring this. Now, this is super key for my morning and night routines. I take my hair, skin, and nail gummies. This works for me so good. Like, I know some people, it may not work because biotin may not go well with other people's skin, but for me, this does wonders. And I take it, like I said, one in the morning, one at night. And this is my skincare routine. I don't use a lot of expensive products. I am just really consistent, and this really works. Now, I just wanted to show you guys my nails. This is 2 weeks after I've been taking the gummies, and I had my acrylics. As you can see, my nail was really damaged, and you can see the growth from after I had the acrylic. And yeah. All right. So here I am recording my outro hours later after I recorded the video. But we're not going to talk about that because I just forgot. You know, life happens, okay? Don't judge me. Judge somebody else. But no, I had to record the outro the proper way because I'm tired of you guys watching my videos and nobody's subscribing. Like, what do I have to do to get y'all to subscribe? Do I have to pull a rabbit out of a hat? Like, what do y'all want to see? Because y'all not letting me know nothing. Y'all not keeping me up to date. Y'all not... Like, what is it? What is it that I need to do to get y'all to subscribe to me? Like, no, but for real, like, please subscribe, ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload. Go ahead and like, comment, let me know what you guys thinking, all that. Like, I need all of that. But yeah, I think that should be it. I'm gonna keep this nice and short because I know all my videos has been so damn long. But yeah, I'll just see you guys in my next one. So